Meaning of deputation.
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 Deputation. Deputation refers to the act of delegating or appointing someone to represent or act on behalf of a larger group or organization. The result of a deputation is that the individual or group appointed is given the authority to carry out specific tasks or responsibilities. This may include engaging in negotiations, making decisions, or speaking on behalf of the organization. Deputations are often used in government or business settings, and can help to streamline decision-making processes and ensure that tasks are carried out efficiently.